CSPA is where I decided I wanted to be a journalist, which I think is common for students. You aren't sure, you think maybe you're interested in it, you get to the workshop and it clicks immediately.
The experiences that I had in breaking news reporting gave me this rush of adrenaline. We would be running around to different sources and just the feeling of doing that was amazing, and I wanted to be doing that every day.
CSPA was an idea from William Randolph Hearst that he brought to the founder of the organization, Ralph Alexander. That has turned into this workshop that for 67 years has helped train some of the best journalists in the country.
Students complete more than 30 assignments over the course of 12 days at the workshop, and those assignments span a broad range of topics, from breaking news and feature stories to an editorial like you would see in a newspaper, or even a podcast script.
And it's not like somewhere you go if you just want to have a relaxing 2 weeks. It's somewhere you go to work, and that's why it's a workshop, not a camp.
There are a lot of opportunities to go outside the classroom, whether you're shooting photos, whether you're at a breaking news scenario. You're going to be really exhausted by the end of it, but really loving it and wishing you could come back.
CSPA has really showed me what it would be like to work in a real newsroom. That was really valuable for me to know if I actually want to do this or not, and CSPA gives you a lot of skills that are useful regardless of if you go into journalism or not.
It's important to think analytically and really be critical about any aspect of your life. To be able to write clearly and ask good questions, to work on deadline. Those are skills that are always going to be important, and to get a jump start on that will help you succeed in college, high school, and the real world too.
You'll meet a ton of great people. You'll meet people who have been in the journalism industry for years and years in all different types of journalism. So it's a really comprehensive journalism experience that's essential for anyone who wants to go into journalism.
There aren't a lot of things that I look at on a resume that tell me this person is ahead of the rest. The school they go to doesn't really matter to me. What they majored in doesn't matter to me. If somebody's a CSPA grad, though, I know what they've been through. If somebody has not only survived that, but thrived in that atmosphere, then I know that they've got to step up on most of the competition.
CSPA made me realize that I was good at journalism and that it was something I wanted to do professionally. I covered breaking news as a part of a Pulitzer Prize-winning team at the Los Angeles Times, and it's the same skills. We do exactly the same thing that the students do in the classroom. It's learning how to ask good questions, it's learning how to gather the right type of information, it's how to write it up quickly, how to make it make sense for readers, and all those skills that are taught by the instructors at CSPA, those come from their real-life experiences in the newsroom.
You go to CSPA and you see all these people who are passionate about their work, and you realize that there are jobs out there and there are people you can connect with, and really you can go anywhere.